Okay, so in this part, we're gonna show you how to take your hairpiece off. It's very simple, very easy, okay? If you are very active and you do a lot of exercises, then the tape will be loose already. But if it's not loose, you can use any remover. You can order citrus online, you can use alcohol to remove it. So what you do is, you just spray very little bit on the edge where the tape is. It's very easy, very simple. You can use citrus or alcohol. As you can see, it comes off pretty easy. Sometimes you may have to leave it a little bit to soak it off. So we're gonna spray a little bit more. Very simple steps to take your hair system off. Remember, you'll have to use either alcohol or citrus to take this off. Water is not gonna take it off. So you can swim, you can shower, shampoo, it's not a problem. To take it off, you have to use a remover. That's how you take it off.